Today we'll show you how to add hotkeys in our OBS studio for start recording, like stop recording, like start stream, like stop stream, like anything you want. Okay, just like maybe I want to start recording with my keyboard with maybe A or B or C or D. I want like this. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching and follow the steps. Okay, first go to OBS Studio and go to settings like this and go to hotkeys. Okay, just here now go to start recording. Okay, maybe I will now to like maybe like start replay like buffer or like start virtual camera or start video camera or enable view or something like that. Okay, we will now choose and maybe like switch the same like with A, like with B, like with C, like with Alt 6 or well, with Alt plus, with Alt P, with R Control P, with R Control A, what I want. Okay, just click what you want and like do what you want like this. And okay, I do and start recording with Alt plus and stop with Alt this, and with pause with Alt it star, and pause with Alt and region. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and choose what case you want here and start recording, guys. Just did you see this is the mouse? And don't forget like and subscribe, and now we will stop recording with Alt